Comparison of adverbs. An adverb is a word that adds something more to the meaning of a verb. An adverb can modify verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Read the following sentences. Examples. A. Rohan speaks clearly. B. They were extremely tired. C. Amrita spoke very softly. In sentence A, the word clearly modifies a verb. It adds something to the meaning of the verb speaks. In sentence B, the word extremely modifies the adjective tired. In sentence C, the word very modifies the adverb softly. In the above sentences, clearly, extremely, and very are adverbs. Kinds of adverbs. There are various kinds of adverbs. Types, definition, example. Adverbs of time. They tell us about the time of action. They answer the question, when. The girls are sleeping now. Adverbs of place. They indicate where an action takes or took place and answer the question, where. Due to floods, there was water everywhere. Adverbs of frequency. They indicate how often an action takes or took place. They answer the question, how often. She visits her village occasionally. Adverbs of degree. They indicate the intensity of an action and answer the question, how much. He almost fell asleep when the movie ended. Adverbs of manner. They tell us about the way an action takes or took place or the manner in which it took place. They answer the question, how or in what manner an action is done. The prince fought bravely in the battle. Relative adverbs. They refer to the thing or person that the pronouns refer to. When, why, and where are relative adverbs. Do you remember when we last visited the planetarium? Interrogative adverbs. They are used for asking questions about time, place, manner, number, quantity, and reason. Some examples are when, how, and why. Where does she live? Place. When will you call back? Time. Degrees of comparison. Some adverbs, like adjectives, have 3 degrees of comparison. Such adverbs are generally compared like adjectives. Study the sentences given below. Mohit is walking slow. Ankit is walking more slowly than Mohit. Pratik is walking the most slowly of them all. Formation of comparatives and superlatives. First, if the adverb is of one syllable, its comparative is formed by adding er and its superlative by adding est to the positive. Positive, comparative, superlative. Early, earlier, earliest. Fast, faster, fastest. High, higher, highest. Long, longer, longest. Large, larger, largest. Late, later, latest. Near, nearer, nearest. Short, shorter, shortest. Soon, sooner, soonest. Cool, cooler, coolest. Sheila came early this morning. Positive. Meena came earlier. Comparative. Geeta came the earliest of all. Superlative. Second, adverbs ending in ly and fully form their comparatives by adding more and their superlative by adding most. Positive, comparative, superlative. Beautifully, more beautifully, most beautifully. Bravely, more bravely, most bravely. Carefully, more carefully, most carefully. Cleverly, more cleverly, most cleverly. Easily, more easily, most easily. Gently, more gently, most gently. Gladly, more gladly, most gladly. Happily, more happily, most happily. Quickly, more quickly, most quickly. Slowly, more slowly, most slowly. Swiftly, more swiftly, most swiftly. Wisely, more wisely, most wisely. Quietly, more quietly, most quietly. Dhoni played skillfully. Positive. Virat played more skillfully than Dhoni. Comparative. Of all the 11, Yuvraj played most skillfully. Superlative. Third, some adverbs form the degrees of comparison in an irregular way. Positive, comparative, superlative. Far, farther, farthest. Far, further, furthest. Ill or badly, worse, worst. Little, less, least. Late, later, latest or last. Much, more, most. Well, good, better, best. Mohini cooks well. Rama cooks better than Mohini. Kavita cooks the best of all. Rajneesh eats much. Kamlesh eats more than Rajneesh. Bhavneesh eats the most of the three.